Big bow for your beautiful boobies.
Hey guys, welcome back to Wannabe Akshata Sadananda, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a swimwear. I could not make the bottom portion because I had no enough fabric to make it, but that's fine, you can make one if you have enough fabric. I did not buy the fabric, I had already a damaged skirt, so I reused it. The added advantage for this is that this you can tie different colors or different types of bow at the front. I'll show you guys how to tie this.
So take some meters of lace like this and just insert it here. That's it. How nice, right? It will look really amazing, very cute. You can use different colors and different kinds of lace or different things. I have this beautiful slit skirt, but cockroaches have damaged the skirt to the core and it's damaged all over, so I cannot wear this anymore. So thought of making some swimwear or bandeau bra and all of that. So first of all, separate the waistband from the skirt, leaving some half or 1 inch from the seam allowance. Keep the waistband aside. Take the rest of the fabric and cut it into two equal rectangular pieces. I forgot to mention, please use elastic or stretchy fabric to make this DIY, otherwise the bra would not fit properly the way it has to, so please use that. Cinch or fold the fabric from the front to bring that bow-like situation in the front. So once that's done, take 2 inches of fabric to cover the bow thingy in the front. So once it's done, it will give the complete, that bow or ribbon kind of thing. This is kind of, bow for your beautiful boobies. Never mind. So once this process is done, attach the waistband to the tube. You can even attach the waistband before this process. I have chosen to attach the waistband before the process. I have taken the reference of this image which I downloaded from Pinterest for this DIY, and this is really nice, amazing. I could not get the pink color, so I have done it in black color.
That's it for today's video guys. Hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and never forget to miss that bell icon because every time I upload a video you guys get notified. If you have liked this tutorial, then please try it and let me know if you have tried with a picture. DM me on my Insta. You can stalk my Insta here or your baby.